Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and as per usual I shall get to it. So this analysis and feedback of my sketches from this morning, from this page specifically I should say. First one took 2 minutes 40 seconds, second one took 2 minutes, and this one took 2.5 minutes. So in being able to speed up my sketching and get this at a higher level, I've been able to achieve more and utilise the time effectively. First two sketches are the closest to the original reference photo. The third one, as much as it's similar to the first two, something went wrong with the eye. I started it off in the wrong position, then tried to rectify it, and that's why it looks a little bit kind of muddied. So my speed, accuracy, ratios and layout are all improving, and it just shows that this learning method, whether it's to do with art or anything really, it does work. Let me know in the comments what you think and if you have used it and if you want more information on it. I shall see you next time. Bye bye bye.